Yo, my name is Benjamin and this is Overflow Clip in Framer. This new property solves many issues related to sticky and smooth scrolling. These issues are reported quite often and Overflow Clip solves all of these. Here's what you need to know. Clip is now the default value for Overflow on all newly created frames. For existing ones, you can manually set Overflow to Clip using the property panel. If you're working with sticky elements, it's recommended to now start using Clip as the overflow value. And this is because unlike hidden, it does not break sticky positioning, and unlike visible, it correctly clips the content within, preventing many scrolling issues on mobile. Simply put, when using Overflow Clip, which again is our new default value for overflow on any frame, sticky positioning and smooth scrolling just work. Clip also unlocks the ability to have your content overflow on one axis while having it hidden on the other. For example, here we have two posts that don't share the same height, but we want to keep the layout centered. So we can resize it to match the height of the smallest item. But with the hidden and visible values, this doesn't work, as content still gets clipped horizontally and vertically. However, if we use Clip instead of hidden, these types of layouts are now finally made possible. We can clip the contents horizontally while overflowing vertically, and vice versa, unlocking all new layouts and alignment options in Framer. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more updates coming soon.